So, that's a little bit of Brahma Shakti Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga, it's the best yoga, it's the only way to practice yoga. The sages mention, O yogi, do not practice asana without vinyasa. That doesn't mean this artistic jump between asanas like we show in Ashtanga yoga. That's one meaning, but the main meaning of vinyasa is simply one breath and movement. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And that should be followed in all yoga practices. Never mind what you do, Hatha, Ashtanga, Anusara, Brahma Shakti flow, Vinyasa flow. How many yogas is there? One yoga only, and that's the yoga of the breath, and that's what we should all be trying to aim towards, because that's where we get major benefits. Thank you for spending this time with me, and any questions that you may have, any doubts, any clarifications, drop me a line. We're always there to support you. Thank you very much. Namaste.